Watch, Frankie.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at the lights. Wow.
It turns when it hits something.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's all like that one little tiny motor right under the front.
It can't go
So
anywhere but on here though. We tried it on the carpet
Yeah.
and we tried outside on the porch. What
wouldn't
is
work-
it?
Oh, it wouldn't work on the porch because it's flames.
What do you think, Frankie? You like it? Not scary? Boop! It hit your foot!
He's just watching it.
Uh-oh. Is it stuck? I don't know how he feels about it. There you go. You can move it. Oh, good job. Oh. I don't know how you feel about it. Oh, it's okay. It just moves around. It just moves around. That's all it does. It doesn't do anything scary.